Good afternoon, folks. We're coming to you from MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to show you our new 2025 19 SPX IO done by Sea Ray. As you can see, it's in white, and we have a fully sea deck covered swim platform with an Alpha 1 outdrive. And on the swim platform, comes down into a bench so you can sit on the water. As we enter the boat, you have more storage under here. Sea deck transitions down into the boat onto the infinity woven carpet. Then you have our dune interior. Your helm seat with a bolstered chair. Throttle, your switching 5-inch Simrad fusion stereo system and a tilt wheel. Coming back over here, Mercury 4.5 200 horsepower engine, twin battery compartment. This one comes equipped with a sports tower and a black bimini. It's good for water sports, tubing, skiing, your ski piling. This way through here. You have a nice glove box area right here. Cup holders, more storage underneath in here. We have our covers in there right now. We have our bow filler cushion, which this boat comes equipped with, set up right now. So this becomes a nice sun bed, or you can take the center section out and have separate seating. Your grab handles along with your upgraded fusion stereo system speakers, all your lighting, your anchor hatch. So this 19 SPX, as you can see, is pretty well equipped. We have it in our showroom, is ready to be seen. If you have any questions, please give us a call back at 609-926-0600, and we look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.